In a world of streaming and wireless sound, turntables remain the timeless bridge between music and emotion. There's something magical about lowering the needle and hearing music come alive in its purest analog form. The best turntables don't just spin records. They preserve warmth, depth, and character that digital formats often lose. Whether you're rediscovering vinyl or building a high-end setup from scratch, the right turntable can transform your listening experience into something truly personal. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best turntables and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So let's get started. Number 5. Audio-Technica AT-LP5X. Audio-Technica's AT-LP5X is a refined evolution of the original AT-LP5, a turntable that earned widespread praise for its solid engineering, user-friendly design, and impressive sound quality when it debuted in 2016. The LP5X keeps that winning formula intact, but introduces a handful of thoughtful upgrades that make it even more versatile and future-ready. One of the most notable improvements is the inclusion of a new cartridge that's easier to install, ensuring smoother setup and maintenance. The built-in phono stage has also been enhanced to support both moving magnet and moving coil cartridges, expanding its compatibility and appeal among vinyl enthusiasts. Additionally, the introduction of a 78 RPM speed setting allows users to enjoy an even wider range of records, including vintage shellac discs. Sonically, the LP5X maintains the composure and dynamic balance that made its predecessor so popular, while offering slightly cleaner and clearer sound reproduction. It handles complex passages effortlessly, delivering high levels of detail with precision and organization. Stereo imaging is stable and immersive, enhancing the sense of space in recordings. Another standout feature is its USB output, allowing users to digitize their vinyl collections in high-quality WAV files up to 16-bit 44.1 kHz and 48 kHz, superior to the compressed MP3 formats many competitors rely on. Built with robust materials and a sleek, professional aesthetic, the AT-LP5X strikes an ideal balance between performance, convenience, and value. For anyone seeking a dependable, high-fidelity turntable with modern functionality and timeless sound, this Audio-Technica model deserves serious consideration. Number 4. Pro-Ject Primary E. For anyone stepping into the world of vinyl on a modest budget, the Pro-Ject Primary E stands out as an exceptional entry point that balances affordability with genuine hi-fi sound. Priced at around $299/£199, it's a model that has earned enduring praise for delivering premium performance without unnecessary bells and whistles. Unlike flashy all-in-one players with Bluetooth, USB ports, or automatic tone arms, the Primary E takes a purist, back-to-basics approach, focusing entirely on sound quality and reliability. Its minimalist, manual design reflects Pro-Ject's dedication to the fundamentals of great playback: precise engineering, quality materials, and a tone arm and cartridge combination that punches well above its price bracket. The result is a deck that sounds far more refined than its cost suggests, offering a tonal balance that's even, clear, and beautifully coherent across the frequency spectrum. There's a real sense of warmth and body to the mids, a clean treble that never turns harsh, and bass that feels solid without overwhelming the mix. Every record spins with lively drive and rhythmic assurance, keeping your toes tapping and your ears engaged for hours. Despite its simplicity, setup is straightforward, and operation is smooth, ideal for beginners who just want to enjoy music without fuss. While it doesn't project a huge soundstage, it certainly never feels small or boxed in. Instead, it delivers an open, spacious sound that respects your records and reveals their musical character. The Primary E's understated design also means it blends neatly into any setup, prioritizing performance over gimmicks. For those taking their first step into serious vinyl listening, this turntable remains unbeatable at the price, offering a truly audiophile introduction that makes music the star of the show, not the technology. Simply put, the Pro-Ject Primary E proves that great sound doesn't have to come with a big price tag. Number 3. Fluance RT81. The Fluance RT81 stands out as one of the best beginner turntables available today, striking an ideal balance between simplicity, performance, and long-term upgrade potential. For newcomers to the vinyl world, setup is refreshingly straightforward. Plug it in, place your record, and you're spinning music in minutes. Yet, unlike many entry-level models, the RT81 offers room to grow. You can easily upgrade the included Audio-Technica cartridge later on to extract more detail, warmth, and depth from your vinyl collection. Another key advantage is the built-in phono preamp, which eliminates the need for external gear right away, though you can disable it if you decide to use a higher-end preamp in the future. Sound quality is impressively rich and dynamic for its price, delivering a balanced listening experience that captures the warmth and authenticity of analog playback. During testing, the RT81 impressed with its clarity and solid low-end presence, though it isn't without quirks. The auto-off feature, for instance, only stops the platter from spinning after a record finishes. You'll still need to manually return the tone arm, a mild inconvenience rather than a deal-breaker. Similarly, record queuing is fully manual, which may deter those seeking an automatic setup. Still, these trade-offs are easily forgiven considering its build quality, beautiful real wood finish, and upgrade flexibility. It looks as good as it sounds, offering a touch of vintage charm that fits any home audio setup. While enthusiasts seeking higher-end performance might prefer stepping up to something like the Pro-Ject Carbon Evo, the Fluance RT81 remains a fantastic value for those entering vinyl for the first time. In short, if you want a turntable that looks great, sounds excellent, and can grow with your audio ambitions, the Fluance RT81 is the perfect place to start.
Number 2. Audio-Technica AT-LP70XBT.
The Audio-Technica earns its place as our top budget turntable pick, standing out as the perfect entry point for those looking to enjoy vinyl without the complexity or high cost. Replacing the older AT-LP60XBT, this model steps things up, with a slightly higher price tag, but a noticeable leap in refinement and performance. It's designed for simplicity, featuring a fully automatic operation that makes setup and playback effortless, even for complete beginners. This plug-and-play device arrives pre-calibrated, so you can start spinning records within minutes, no tinkering required. Its dual connectivity options let you enjoy music through a wired setup or wirelessly via its seamless Bluetooth function, offering flexibility for modern listeners who prefer convenience without sacrificing sound quality. While budget models often suffer from weak motors and audible noise, the AT-LP70XBT's belt-driven system delivers consistent, stable rotation, powered by a quiet yet capable motor. The result is audio that feels surprisingly rich and clear for its class, with impressive depth and stability that surpasses many competitors at this price. The pre-installed AT-VMN95C stylus is a real highlight, providing smooth, detailed playback. And unlike many other entry-level turntables, it allows for stylus upgrades from Audio-Technica's broader lineup, adding future-proof value. Design-wise, the AT-LP70XBT is sleeker and more modern than its predecessor, with clean lines, subtle controls, and an understated minimalist aesthetic. Its lightweight plastic chassis makes it easy to relocate, though it does require careful handling. The fixed cartridge and tone arm design are compromises typical of this category, but don't detract from the overall experience. Ultimately, the Audio-Technica AT-LP70XBT blends convenience, thoughtful engineering, and refined sound in a package that's ideal for newcomers. It's the best, affordable turntable for anyone who wants a reliable, great-sounding start to their vinyl journey.
Number 1. Pro-Ject Debut Evo 2.
The Pro-Ject Debut Evo 2 represents a smart evolution in the brand's acclaimed Debut range, blending trickle-down technology from the award-winning Debut Pro with a lively, fluid presentation that's instantly engaging. At its core, the Evo 2 replaces the older steel platter with a heavier aluminum one, incorporating a dense ring of thermoplastic elastomer damping to effectively minimize unwanted resonances. This same vibration-absorbing material is also used in the adjustable feet, further isolating the deck from external interference. Its belt drive mechanism operates with precision and quiet smoothness, while setup remains effortless thanks to the intuitive layout and thoughtful design touches, including a neat three-way rocker switch under the plinth for power and speed control. The newly designed lightweight tone arm, mounted on a precision-milled aluminum block with low-friction bearings, pairs perfectly with the pre-installed Picket Evo cartridge for confident tracking and impressive detail retrieval. Aesthetically, the Evo 2 shines as well, available in 10 modern finishes ranging from satin red wine and fur green to steel blue and golden yellow, making it as stylish as it is musical. Sonically, the Evo 2 delivers a beautifully fluid, open, and sweet-toned mid-range that flatters vocals and acoustic instruments, while maintaining tight, punchy bass and clear highs. It's not as rhythmically authoritative as the rival Rega Planar 2/ND3, but its light-footed, enthusiastic character makes every record a joy to spin. For those craving more grip and weight, optional upgrades like the high-power it to supply 25 pounds or $45 and Alu subplatter 115 pounds or $199 elevate performance dramatically, adding depth, muscle, and dynamic range. Even with these enhancements, the Evo 2 remains attractively priced, offering a blend of fun, refinement, and style that makes it one of the most appealing mid-range turntables of 2025.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.